What's up guys? How y'all doing today? Welcome to the Delprat family.
Today we have exciting news, alright? Nooie, which is a premium camera line, they sent us their whole line of cameras, alright?
They basically sent us 3 cameras and we're excited to show them to you because it fits our needs so much as a family.
Yes.
And of course, you know, we're not gonna carry something to you that we don't think is practical or useful. These actually fell in the right spot. You know, so we are doing all Airbnb construction. So recently there was an incident at an Airbnb in Kingston.
Yes.
Where the person booked the place for about what, a week?
Like a week.
When they went to inspect the place to see, you know, to clean and to get it ready for other guests, you know what I'm saying? Them TV gone, the microwave gone, other devices gone. Then basically went there and they stole a whole heap of stuff.
Definitely.
Why are we talking about this and why are we talking about cameras? Because we were the ones that said to you guys, a camera on your Airbnb is very, very important.
Yes.
So now that we have our new Airbnb coming up, this actually Nooie line of cameras actually fell right at the right spot. It's like that sweet spot.
Yes, securing your home or Airbnb or any property you have will be important. But also, if you have children at home, you know, you would want to look what is going on in your home as well. I mean, if you might have a nanny at home and you want to monitor things, if you have slightly bigger kids that can stay home alone, you would still want to have a smart home camera to monitor all of that. In this video, we're gonna show you all about that, all right?
Yes.
Yeah, so let me show you, first off, we wanna say that these cameras, they are like premium.
They are.
You know?
We love the packaging, we love the feel. We got a slight little tips on this one.
Yeah.
But we are gonna do the unboxing right now and show you exactly what comes in all of these cameras.
So here we got the Nooie doorbell camera system. Alright, we're gonna get deeper into this later on in the video. We just want you to have a look at the packaging and the build quality of this thing.
So the home station is away from the doorbell, so you can actually capture and keep your footage safe.
Yes.
Another feature of this is that we've seen online where people come and take people doorbell camera.
So literally just move with the doorbell. So if somebody wants to steal something, they will take the doorbell camera and take the memory card out.
Yeah, but that's not possible.
That's not possible with this. Alright?
So when they get catch, them get catch.
Yeah, so we're gonna show you more about that.
They have the Nooie 360 cam, and I particularly love this one because Adrian will tell you, when I'm away from Kyrie, sometimes I'm like, boy, I wonder what Kyrie is doing.
Yes.
You know, my mind is always just running on him. So this is a great way for parents. We have to work, we have to go and do other things. This is a great way for us to keep an eye on our children and so that they're doing the right thing.
Beautiful.
Yes.
So this is fully 360, motion sensing. Alright.
So this is the Nooie 360 cam. One of the highlights of this is like a baby cam, right? So it can work as a baby cam. You can use it to monitor your house, you can use it to monitor your pets. It has excellent night vision, crystal clear night vision, and it has 2K resolution. And one of the things about this is that not only one person can monitor the kids, but both of us can.
Yes, multi-family view. So several persons or more than one person from the household can have access to the camera footage at the same time.
Yes guys, so we are now with Kyrie.
Yes.
So we will be spying on you, Kyrie. Yes, to see what you're doing. And one of the good things about this is sometimes when we as parents are away, we miss so many moments, precious moments that our babies start talking, taking their first step. I miss that, you know. So this is one of the ways in which you can capture those moments on camera.
The Nooie Procam is excellent as well. So it comes with 2 cameras for the outside plus this home station. Again, as Cass said, this thing stores all information. You can either store it here or via the cloud or both. Alright, but it's not on the camera, so somebody can come to steal your cameras and feel like they'll get your camera footage. That won't happen.
Exactly.
Alright? Alright guys, so it's now night time and we're in a low light setting. I just wanted to demonstrate how great this camera was at, you know, nighttime performance. We discovered something awesome a while ago we never see ever before. Alright, so we'll turn off all the lights in the room. Alright? This is crazy. Look. When you switch off the light, you hear a click sound on the camera. And then immediately it switched to night mode. Alright, so guys, you see the details that this thing is picking up? This is crazy. We're in a absolute darkness right now, and me not lie, I'm astounded by the low light performance of this thing. Look around the space. Look at that. Look at that. Even the camera. Look at the camera right there. This is crazy. This is absolutely crazy. Yeah, Jay, you can't keep out no snacks in the dark. You hear that? Yeah. Alright guys, welcome back. Yes, so now today we're completing the installation of the Nooie Cam doorbell. Alright, so we already had screwed in the plates last evening, and we've now fully charged the camera. Yeah. This is it. This is the unit right here. We've fully charged that. So it's easy just to put this on. Bam. Just like that.
Yeah.
Alright? Yeah. We've already put in our memory card. This is the indoor unit, so this will be plugged on the inside, right? So as we mentioned before, you wouldn't be running any risk of, you know, intruders stealing your camera footage. So even if they try to remove your camera, you will still have footage. Yeah. Plus, importantly, whenever it is removed, there's an alarm, so you get notified whenever the camera is removed. This has a lot of features. It's probably too much to go through in depth, but you can definitely visit their website. Link will be in the description for purchasing and to look at all the features. This is awesome. So we're gonna get this thing set up now, so stay tuned.
So we have our doorbell cam here. It's set up and everything, so let's test it out, okay? No, let's press the button. Press the button.
Alright. Someone is ringing. Boom. Answer. There we go. Hello.
Say hello.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. What's up? How are you? Let you in? Okay, I'll be granting access right now. Alright? Alright, so this is a very awesome device. Yeah, so they're on their way in now. Alright, so this is a very cool device, you know? Yeah. And it's two-way, like a phone call. A lot of devices like these, they are one-way. Yes. Right? This is two ways, and the video quality is excellent. Awesome video quality.
Yeah, and I can hear you clearly on the other end.
Yes. As you can see here, you can access all your camera footage all from one place on the Nooie app. So you can scroll, you can have an overview, you can check specific dates and time, specific camera footage. They are all here in the Nooie app. Very, very excellent, very, very intuitive. Alright my peeps, so the Nooie Pro camera fully installed on this side. Immediately what we've noticed is that the angle is so wide. Yeah. Right? It gives a good coverage on this side. Right? We will install the other one on the exterior, on the rear of the building, so we get even more coverage.
So basically our aim is to cover the perimeter of the property. So this is giving us a pretty good angle from this side, and we're going to put the other one on the other side, so we get a pretty good view of what's happening. Yep.
We get notifications of, you know, movement, stuff like that. So I mean, this Nooie package, excellent. We have the Nooie 360 indoor camera. Yeah. We have the Nooie doorbell camera. Yes. And we have the Nooie Cam Pro. Alright? Excellent package. We definitely recommend purchasing. If you are interested in making a purchase, do check the links in the description for
Yeah.
purchasing.
You will
right?
not be disappointed.
Not at all.
We have in the past used other cameras, trust me, you won't be disappointed. And the footage is crystal clear.
You have already seen what this camera is capable of during the night time. Alright, so Nooie Cam series, check them out. If you enjoyed this video, do leave us a like, drop a thumbs up.
Guys, if you have not subscribed already, you don't know how it's for. What's that mega ask you? Subscribe. Alright?
Alright, guys, we out, peace.
Give us a thumbs up. Bye.